Good morning, monsters. I started out the morning with the respiratory steam we have made of cucumber, lemon, lime, orange juice. My outfit of the day is these universal thread sweatpants from Target, these biker shorts from Forever 21, they're cotton for working out. This is a 100% cotton shein long sleeve graphic tee. Y'all know how I love graphic tees. My washcloth, my head towel, my cotton underwear, my fuzzy socks, and 2 masks.
Yo, DJ!
I'm out the shower with a clean face. I'm gonna go steam it. So in order to make it easier for me to juice throughout the day, because yesterday I was having to bust out my cutting board and knife all day, I'm gonna cut up all this stuff that I need for the day. So like my lime, papaya, cucumber, and I'll put it in this box. And then I could just get my fruit out of it.
My shit get ate up like salad, and I don't wanna sleep with no hoe. Am I wrong if I accept the challenge? Am I wrong and I accept the balance? Bitch.
You have to be logical. You know, if I know that in this hotel room they have food every day, and I'm knocking on the door every day to eat, and they open the door, let me see the party, let me see like them throwing salami all over I mean, just like throwing food around, but they're telling me there's no food in there. You know what I'm saying? Every day, I'm standing outside trying to sing my way in. You know what I'm saying? We are hungry, please let us in. We are hungry, please let us in.
This that I was held hostage over 500 days music. Why they held me in a cottage and me took away music. Now just see where it had cost. They was a 100, now them fools. Wonder Woman denied diagnosis. Kept my head feel like it's a cartridge. Only way out is to bondage. I tapped out at 200. I was a parasite. I obviously said fuck the niggas. They don't mind that I make music. When I got back, I like options doing good. It's his face they were using. So legendary bitch, your career. I'm going through my angel.
I'm doing the same smoothies that I do every single day. You guys know smoothies by now, so I'm not gonna go over it. Maybe I'll do like an overview, like a quick slide right now. That's what I did. Sounds so ugly.
Sick. Speedball know he could get cut, play with crack.
Look, so instead of some pee, I thought there was no way out. And then I found this box. And then I thought there was no way for me to move in it. I found this plate. Oh, I had to grab the first step was to grab you guys. So tell me why I found myself here in a bowl. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I really want a bowl. And here I have found myself. It was.
False uppercase out front, I spray for blackhead. So fucking weird for fucking with smackhead. Gunpowder street ball, look at pinhead. But I'm about to play every season. I turned from tears, fail to leave. I'm not from Sudan like my babe. Across the street to me, see it. Future, we've been ready. Your implants falling excretion. You love it, I'm so big gangster, you know I'm that shit that I'm bout. My brains in blood, the odds got me fucked up waiting year after for clout. Fuck your flood, you do master lesson like your blowout. Like us to come off what they ask. Now niggas running white bitches out. I tell your bitches I don't know them, bitch, I'm brand new. This girl mama try to talk to me, I feel like who the fuck is you? One day I woke up and see my ugly friend you. Don't suck yourself to the big witch, I ain't have to take her boo. Ouch, ouch, I bitch should pop 3 ever make.
Straw, please. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks, you too. Thanks, you too.
Yo, DJ!
Are you done mixing yet?
Your DJ has only just begun.
Yep, good to go.
And yeah, I just feel so much better. Like, I feel like I'm dry. Go pick up the new Eagles Shea Better 24-hour moisture body lotion. It's only $8. If you want to get the compliment of smelling like, you know, like a clean girl, it just smells like you're fresh out the shower.
Out here it could be Christmas or summer. Dawn of summer, 'cause bedtime is me time. I love mom, but I need a break. It's a school night, for frick's sake. Bedtime is
Yesterday. Oh, what, with the dolphin? I didn't cry about it in the bathtub at all. Hey, friends. Was feeling good. Like a... Hello? Oh, hi, Rudy. Louise, it's for you.
pounds. That's what I call my past.
Why yo nigga look so bummy? He don't work on every stage. I really wanna be a Kardashian. I am a nigga. Be legit.
No, she's young. She hasn't figured it out yet.
Daddy, I'm just holding a knife. They weren't gonna arrest him.
Really?
Yes.
All right.
Bringing you guys along was a big mistake. Between you inviting half.
I don't like my son being around me while I smoke.
In the mix.
Used to be a real hustler on the low. Now I'm thirsty, everybody know because in that got bone. I am special, I am the Bama Tony and keep a poke.
Yeah, if we think about what you're thinking about, heal, grow, evolve, picture, logo. We're trying samples. The first samples that we had these inside.
So I did a half a cup of each of those, and then to that I went ahead and ground up really finely some sea